Okay, Tuesday the 16th. Been working on the door. I got some wood filler in there. I've got to slowly build it up. But we got another coat that needs to go on there. But I can't do it at the end of the day because then the door won't close. So I got to do it first thing in the morning. Anyway, we got all the switch plates on. In most places, I just got the primer. And so I went ahead and you can see the difference between paint and primer. So I went ahead and primed all this. So tomorrow I'll go ahead and paint it. I've just got a little bit of work to do here for the windowsill. I've got to do some sanding and stuff. But anyway, that's all done. Came into the bathroom. I started on the floor. Problem now is I left the saw back at the house and I'm on the bike today. I got to make a long cut and that radial arm saw won't work, and I've got a good blade on my other saw. We went ahead and we got the molding around the tub done. Just need to set the nails, got it cut, then we're going to caulk it. So like I said, we've already started on the floor, and with any luck I'll have that done tomorrow. And then we can start on this here. I've got concrete. So I want to concrete this up and get it nice and level. And it's got to be concreted over here to the stairs. And then I've got that 4x4 post, which is going to sit right here. And we'll go ahead and I've got this door right here. Oh, bifold door that'll go right here. And then once that concrete sets up in a couple days, we can rip out this ceiling and start the stairs here. So we're moving right along. Again, got to finish this up here, but I've already got the wire run for the switch. We'll put a light here and light up the stairs. So moving right along. It's a nice day. It really helps. So I wasn't so damn old. Work a little bit more, but just kicking my ass, looking over my head. So anyway, that's what we've got done for the day. See you.